and this is my science fair project. The project I have chosen to talk about today, one was done in the 11th grade and one was done this year during the pandemic as an assignment, as one of the lessons from an assignment. Yes. It was a collab. The first one was Scratch, was a collaboration with a friend. It was used with Scratch. It's a website where not instead of it being typed coding based, it is more of a block based coding as to where you connect the different blocks to create an action. As for adhesive, is writing on the screen, well, typing on the screen based coding, the regular code. Scratch is in ActionScript and JavaScript. As for adhesive, it is only in JavaScript.
When hospital is clicked, you are given trombone and drum sound. In order to get this level right, you must click the purple then green block to go to the score by 4 increments and be at a total score of 10. If the blocks are clicked in the wrong order or wrong block selected, the wrong screen will occur. When America's Best Wing is clicked, you are given 3 sounds. The correct order is blue, purple, then green. If the colors are out of order or you press the wrong color, you are taken to the wrong screen, and it will start you all over. If you have successfully completed all 4 levels, you are met with the game over screen and music to celebrate.
And this is a picture of the coding. As you can see, for Scratch, the codings are block based instead of typing. So, like I was saying, you would connect the blocks into doing the action you wanted instead of typing them out. As for this is adhesive, this is the typing based coding where I was talking about. Although I wanted to show the outcome, the computer was a little messed up and it wouldn't allow me. I'm not sure why, but it would look like, hi, my name is, it would say hi and my name or yours, and then it'll say nice to meet you, and then it'll ask for your name. Kind of like a conversation back and forth if you were in person. So, like, my name is Markel, so it would say, hi, my name is Markel, nice to meet you. What is your name? What did I learn? I learned that when using blocks for code, it is definitely easier for me, although it does sometimes depend. So, say for instance, I wanted to create a game, I would definitely use Scratch. I feel like Scratch is a more game based learning, and it would be a lot easier and faster to get it done. And sometimes even it'll look better because they have little pictures that they already created that you can install into your game. And then the codes have you can kind of switch them around and not using just one simple traditional code. You can just make any code yourself with the blocks. As for adhesive, that is definitely something I will use for like making a website because Scratch isn't really for making websites, it will be for games. But adhesive or something like Code.js, which are JavaScript and I've done before, I would just be able to type what I wanted in and where I wanted it, and Scratch just doesn't give you that option. Strengths. My strengths are definitely from Scratch with being familiar with the interface and knowing how to smoothly operate the slides and buttons because I've done it before in middle school. And my strength for adhesive would definitely be knowing the basics and remembering to put the semicolons and commas in the right place because those are very important to do or your whole code will be messed up. Reflection. My biggest areas of improvement were not overthinking for the game and messing it up and then having to restart, but instead I would just let the ideas flow and try to create what I wanted. And it definitely created a good game. I am proud of the outcome. And for adhesive, I would definitely say typing code isn't the best for me, but I do try my hardest to understand it and get it done when needed.